Welcome back to our channel, foodies. Today, we have something truly special for you. We're diving into the fascinating world of one of America's favorite Chinese dishes, General Tso's chicken. Prepare to uncover some unknown facts about this beloved dish. Let's get started. Before we reveal the unknown facts, let's briefly explore the origins of General Tso's chicken. Contrary to popular belief, this dish didn't originate in China. Instead, it was created by Chinese immigrants in the United States. The name General Tso refers to a Qing dynasty military leader, but there's no evidence linking him to this culinary delight. Fact number 1. General Tso's chicken as we know it today is actually an adaptation of a traditional Hainanese dish. Hunan cuisine is known for its bold flavors, and this dish exemplifies that perfectly. It was first introduced in New York City in the 1970s and quickly gained popularity, spreading across the country and becoming a staple in Chinese American cuisine. Fact number 2. The secret to the irresistible flavor of General Tso's chicken lies in its unique combination of sweet, savory, and spicy flavors. The chicken is usually deep-fried, then coated in a sticky sauce made with ingredients like soy sauce, ginger, garlic, sugar, and chili peppers. The resulting dish is a harmonious blend of crispy and tender textures, paired with an explosion of flavors. Speaking of ingredients, let's talk about the next unknown fact. Fact number 3, traditional General Tso's chicken often includes additional elements like dried chili peppers, scallions, and even vinegar. These ingredients enhance the overall flavor profile and add complexity to the dish. So, if you've never experienced these additions, give them a try to take your General Tso's chicken to the next level. Fact number 4, General Tso's chicken has gained international fame, and you can find variations of it in different parts of the world. In Canada, for example, some versions feature a slightly sweeter sauce, while in the United Kingdom, you may find it served with a tangy sauce made with tomato ketchup. Each region adds its own twist, resulting in diverse interpretations of this beloved dish. Finally, fact number 5, General Tso's chicken has become so popular that it even has its own holiday. Every year on September 29th, people celebrate National General Tso's Chicken Day in the United States. It's a day dedicated to enjoying and appreciating this mouth-watering dish. And there you have it, folks. Some unknown facts about General Tso's chicken. From its humble beginnings as a Chinese-American creation to its international variations and its own dedicated holiday, this dish has truly made a mark on the culinary world. So next time you order General Tso's chicken, remember the fascinating journey behind this delicious masterpiece. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And as always, subscribe to our channel for more intriguing food adventures. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy eating!